What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, we're going to talk about how to dress light and do a style breakdown of Aaron from Alpha M. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap that notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like Riz Claire, salute. Now, if you're anything like me and you like to watch men's style YouTube videos, you come across Aaron's channel, Alpha M. How could you not? It's the biggest and one of the most successful. Now, not only does Aaron do a phenomenal job of giving out style and lifestyle advice for men, he looks good while doing it. So what I want to do on today's video, I kind of want to do a breakdown of how Aaron dresses, the way he communicates through his style, and some of the techniques he uses that we can use in our everyday style. What I'm going to do is break down about 5 or 6 of the style techniques Aaron uses, and we can adapt to improve our style. So without further ado, let's talk about how you can dress light and do a style breakdown of Aaron Marino from Alpha M. Now, the first style technique that Aaron does a great job of, he has a uniform and signature look that he uses very well. Now, if you watched a lot of Aaron's videos, you notice on a lot of them, he uses the same look. That's a nice fitted black t-shirt and a pair of jeans. Now, why is this an effective style strategy? There's a couple of reasons. For one, if you have a signature look that you can go to over and over, that you feel comfortable in, and you know you look good in, you're gonna be confident when you're wearing it. And secondly, it becomes an easily recognizable look that people identify you with, and it becomes part of your personal branding. Nowadays, personal branding is important to a lot of us. When you see that black t-shirt and Aaron pop on the screen, you know it's him. You easily recognize him. Just like Steve Jobs with his mock neck black t-shirt, you know it's Aaron when you see that black tee and those jeans. Speaking of a black t-shirt, another style technique that Aaron does is that he's built this casual wardrobe around classic American basics. The reason why this works so well, these basics are easily interchangeable. Building your wardrobe around these classic basics makes for a very versatile wardrobe. You can wear them and mix and match them with each other. Whether you're talking about a leather jacket, Henley, t-shirts, polos, jeans, you've got a wardrobe that can stretch and stretch. And if you notice, Aaron's had his channel for 7 or 8 years. He's worn a lot of these same basics throughout. They've never gone out of style. So building your casual wardrobe around these classic American basics makes for a versatile, long-lasting, and timeless casual wardrobe. Now, the third thing you notice about Aaron's style is that although his casual wardrobe is built around classic American basics, suit game, a whole different story. If you notice when Aaron throws on a suit, he throws on one with a little bit more of a European flair. He tends to wear suits with peak lapel jackets, which are a little bit more fashion forward and stylish than your notch lapel jacket. But he also uses his own personal touch. A lot of times when he has these suits on, you'll notice he'll go without a tie. This is a very smooth, sophisticated look, even though it's not dressy. Taking away some of the stuffiness gives it a little bit more of an edge. Quite often you'll find Aaron in a nice suit supply suit, like I have on today with the great peak lapels. Once again showing that he's not stuck in a rigid box of American looks, he can add some European flair to his look as well. Now, the fourth thing you notice Aaron does very well, he dresses well for his body type. Here's what I mean. Now, Aaron's a well-developed, muscular guy, but he's only around 5'6" or 5'7", a little bit on the shorter side. But if you watched any of his videos and you paid attention to his style, you wouldn't notice that. For one, his personality jumps off the screen. And two, he dresses in a way that makes him appear much taller than he actually is. How does he do that? For one, he wears a lot of monochromatic looks. Whether it's the aforementioned suits, suits by nature are monochromatic, especially if you wear solid color ones that Aaron does. And on top of that, a lot of times in his casual wear, you'll see monochromatic looks. Sometimes you might catch him in jeans and a leather jacket and boots that are all in the same color family. Once again, monochromatic looks give the illusion of more height than you actually have. And he obeys style rule number 1, that being fit is king. Whether he's in casual clothes or more dressy, they all fit to a T. When you wear clothes that fit like Aaron does, it accentuates your positives. It shows off that he's in great shape. And on top of that, it makes him appear taller than he actually is, because when your clothes fit well, once again, that gives you the illusion of more height. The fifth thing that Aaron does very well, he knows the stores and brands that fits him very well, and he sticks with them. Now, if you've been watching Aaron's channel for any amount of time, you know he loves the Gap and Suit Supply. And this is a very important thing to take note of. When you find brands or stores that work well for you and work with your body and body type, stick with them. It takes the guesswork out of it. And that's a technique I utilize myself. I shop at J. Crew a lot, especially for their suits. Their suits happen to fit me very well. I know they work well, takes the guesswork out of them. Grab my 40 regular, take it to the tailor to get it nipped and tucked. I'm confident it's gonna work well every time. And Aaron does that well too, by sticking with the brands he loves, for example, the Gap and Suit Supply. And last but certainly not least, the thing that sets Aaron's style apart, he knows when it's time to break the rules and add some of your own personality. Now, I've been watching Aaron's channel for a while, and people always give him crap about wearing those earrings. But guess what? He doesn't care. He loves wearing his earrings. He doesn't care what you think. He knows he might be breaking some style rules, but he loves them and he wears them. And I take this same lesson to heart. Hey, I'm the OG, but guess what? I still love wearing my Jordans. A lot of guys comment on my channel, "You're too old to wear Jordans. Let them go." Guess what? I want to break the rules and I'm going to wear them. Just like Aaron loves his earrings, I'm going to wear my Jordans. So if you have something you love to wear and it's a little outside the box, nobody else likes it, who cares? Wear what you want. Break the rules. It's your style. Okay, so there you have it. My style breakdown of Aaron from Alpha M. Let me know in the comment section if you're a fan of his channel and his style. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. It helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.